Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the liquefying brush on CapCut PC. So go to the Enhanced tab and you're going to scroll down to Manual under Facial Beauty. Now she's beautiful as is, but I'm just telling you how to do this. So you're just going to select the brush and you can adjust the size and the strength here, but I'm just going to leave the size. What this basically does is that it can reshape your face into anything you want it to be. That made sense. So for instance, I'm kind of just like changing her shape a little bit here. You can make it a little bit smaller if you want to do that for instance, the nose. This is again just an example. Maybe just the strength a little bit and make the size smaller. And maybe like make her smile go upwards a little bit more. Or however you desire to use this. But that's pretty much it. It is a little bit similar to the liquefy brush they have on other apps. You can zoom in here if you want to see what we've done. I'm just going to make the size a little bit bigger. Just making this a little bit higher, for instance, this eyebrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. This is the before, this is the after. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!